Time has come. We're off to the dealership. I'll never hear the end of this one, I'm sure. Yeah, it should get exciting. Should be fun. Put some add-ons here and there, and maybe get together, work with some sponsorships, show and review some products. We'll get back to you here. Get to the dealership, I guess. Right on. Stay tuned. For all your Can Am power sports needs, come on down and see Dan Hicks. That'll treat you right. I see. Right here, we're talking about putting on exhaust on her, boys. And a slight modification has to be made. No worries. Yeah, that's badass. First order of business. Not a big fan of the stock exhaust in these things. Stripped her out. Got it. All right, well, there she is, boys. Yoshi. Installed. Before and after. Oh. It's the bomb.
It's the fucking bomb.
Just pulling in the driveway, boys. And look what arrived. The US guy was coming at the same time. Full armor. Wow, that looks kick-ass. These are your holy shit handles, baby. Your seat is right here, baby.
You want me to sit on the Pelican case?
No, you better not. You'll break that. You should move and scoot your bum a little further back onto the steel.
Hard plastic.
This rack is going to bring me and the wife closer together. There's nowhere for her to sit now. Nice angle. Our friends from Dalton have sent us a gift. So primary, secondary, weights, and the inserts. We're going with a 2.1 gram is what their charts specify for a 29 to a 30 inch. Best way to install aftermarket add-ons is to watch your friends do it for you. All buttoned up, there we are, the installs. We've added a rocks. Pretty nice. Right on. From our friends at Farm Mudding. Got them glued into place. The boys are wiring the shit out of her. There they are, boys. If those don't look killer in the snow, I don't know what does. Right on, huge thanks, Fred. They look wicked. Steering stem stiffener in there from Seco Racing. Cheers to the boys for sending us an awesome product. Super easy install. You just unbolt before your bars closer to you, if that's what you prefer, right? Now this, I was going to film the install, but I'm not gonna lie, it was ridiculous. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. I mean, it doesn't get any easier. You unscrew those, obviously, slide that down in there, feed your nuts back through. Cure it before it became a problem. Like I said, there was just too much flex there. I've been super busy. I didn't get around to it this weekend, and I know that you guys really wanted to see them on the bike, so. Oh yeah, they look badass, buddy. We're back at the shop, and we got them on. Torque down to the old 75 pounds. Alright guys, I've been super busy working on footage, just kicked out an awesome trailer for you lads, and yeah, things start to pile up. So we have some deliveries. That's STM Power Sports. Some pretty sweet swag. To see it. Excited about this one.
156.5.
155 and 185 in between. So a huge thanks to Torque Locker for sending us an awesome product. Very interesting. One going reverse.
Look at that. Both tires, even speed. Oh, you don't get better than that.
Check out these boxes. This is awesome. First thing you do when you receive yourself a fancy set of exhausts like this, tear it apart. And we're gonna send some pieces out for powder coating. There they are. Got the powder coated tips on them. Looks pretty kick-ass. Thanks to my brother's buddy Brian. Red powder coated bolts on a black Harley Davidson matte black. This is something else. Just wow. Oh yeah, it says yeah buddy boys.
I wonder whose bike this is. Yeah, that looks wicked, man.
I like that.
Yeah, you did a really good job, eh? Grant. That's BayMarine. Wicked.
Reuse this gasket. We'll get that poison aluminum impeller and we'll get that on there. We have a properly phased 100%. Properly. Well, we're gonna throw the old gauge on her here. Why not? Yeah, we'll check the old one to see how it is.
Seems fucking perfect. I don't know about Keith's workmanship on the best, but that seems pretty fucking perfect, boys.
Look, that's all you need is a fucking flat piece of wood, boys.
We got ourselves a blacked out winch from Super ATV. Check this out from our friends at Super ATV. We finally got a blacked out winch that I've been wanting to do for a while. Get rid of the red switch on the side. This one comes with a kick-ass blacked out fair lead. It's got a remote, switch, all the wiring you need, everything, all complete. This is another nice piece I've been wanting to do. So here we are in Nosboss Garage. We got the neutrino RJWC lights we're going to install here. This is today's project. Check these out, boys. So, here you go, a couple brackets for your roll beams, I do believe. Everything's plug and play, harnesses all included. You got your 4 lights, built-in halos. Look at that, that's pretty slick.
That is pretty slick.
Yeah, they do.
Swamp series.
Swamp series, boys. We're ready for the spring.
Very nice.
Actually, they are. They are kick-ass. They're wife approval right there, boys.
Lightweight.
Aren't they light?
You can almost wear these as pajamas.
I know. I was just gonna wear them in the truck on the way here.
Even need to take them off.
Elasticity inside the cuffs here. Heater rear shield series insulated, boys. We're good to go for the winter.
They look pretty badass. Hey, they're gonna get dirty.
Yeah, they are.
hop in right about. Oh, she's deep. Come and play, buddy. Who's that? Oh! Hey, good job, Rob. Oh, yeah. How far? Oh, about here. Fuck off. No, not really. Put your feet up, you're good. Not bad, is it? We got it, boys. Hook, line, and sinker. We got Jeremy in there. Yeah, that's pretty deep. Where we get out? I don't know. I haven't thought that far ahead yet.
Maybe I should have waders today. I don't know for sure. Got her four-wheel bill. Now it's just rolling. Whoa!
All right, let her sit for a while. You okay?
Oh, Lozzie, too grippy.
Okay, buddy. She don't sound good. She don't sound good, boys.
Oh!
Jesus. Oh boy, Simon, way to go, bud. Just hopped the old log. Oh yeah! Oh! Tommy's gonna take the same line. Kill it!
Right there. There it is. Here it comes. Hamming it.
How's that, Rock?
That looks sweet, dude.
Did I jump into this thing or what?
That was great. Is that camera still dry or no?
Buggers. What'd you do? Yeah. Oh yeah. Brother went and got rid of his truck. Yeah, look at that. What a bugger. That is pretty slick. Boy, that's sharp. Keith, my bike could fit right in the back with the tailgate up. That's perfect. Oh yeah, boys. Ram Rebel.
Already got garbage in the back
look
of
at
it.
the back windshield. I like that.
You already got garbage in the back of it.
You went white, eh? You're crazy.
White, yeah.
Stormtrooper edition.
Stormtrooper edition. Look at that hood. They got a kick-ass hood going on, eh?
Look good with the black.
Man, that is
I
sharp.
don't know. Maybe you could ask your viewers that Ram symbol. I'm either going to make the Ram letters white or black. I don't know what's going to look better.
Oh yeah.
The letters?
Yeah.
Because I did Lacey's red on her Ram Rebel.
Oh, you're probably gonna go with white, I would think, eh?
White would pop pretty good.
Sure would. Man, that is a nice truck. Is that a Goodyear Wrangler?
Not as fancy as the old truck, but
A little fancier than that one.
she's a little fancy.
But that one's got an extra like 50 horsepower with that decal on the windshield.
Well, this is the thing, right?
As
Yeah,
long as you
that's
got a
it.
couple Dodges around with you, Joe, you'll be alright with that Ford. We'll tell you the whole.
We shall see. Everybody's got Dodges. Everybody's got Dodges back here, boys.
I'm not laughing.
Headlights are kick-ass. So, Troy, these light up with LEDs anywhere?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, eh?
I don't know. I would think so, right?
2019 Ram Rebel.
It's not air suspension like that.
5.7 liter Hemi. This one doesn't come with the air ride.
I think it's still got built-in shocks.
Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
She's not highly optioned, but she's
She's got the whole trim package, eh? With the Rebels. Yeah, that's pretty
there's
sharp.
a couple things that I didn't get.
Oh yeah. Got Piper seat already installed. Ready to go. Wow, that is sharp. I think Dodge is making the nicest interiors right now.
It's got an electronic locker.
Or sorry, Ram. Ram is making the nicest interiors right now.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's sharp. That is sharp. Look at that. Yeah, it's got no, right? Yeah.
The truck's got no thing there.
Yeah, that's kind of I like that. I like that. Pretty cool option.
And then I don't know whether to tip the headlights.
Black them out a bit. Yeah. Yeah.
I got the stuff to hold.
If you do, don't forget to do the red one up top. The box light.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that is sharp.
I don't know if I should black them out or not, but maybe.
What's that?
The tail lights.
I don't know, man. Looks pretty damn sharp.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Get the exhaust done. Come with the blackout tips on it. To get the exhaust done, we'll do a sound comparison of that shit.
Yeah, right on.
And
We would take it for a test drive later, boys. Good killer concept.
well, James, he wants to go riding, I think.
Yeah.
Well, he'd like to. And then you know what I told him? He asked me a price. I said, buy the Honda, drive around everybody, right? And he says, no, I want to kind of make, I want to have some fun and make it look fun too, or whatever, right? I said, then buy an 850 Polaris.
Did you laugh like that afterwards too? Like it was
No, all I did was show him I showed him the price on Can Am 850. I showed him the price on the Polaris 850. Well, this one comes with, this one don't come with.
You know, you're gonna have to leave this garage, but I got the camera on right now.
Well, just saying, ain't man. If you guys got some ammunition, you guys can dish it.
Ammo's in the throttle, bud.
Oh fuck, I got throttle. Loads of it. Just riding the Can Am and never really have to use it.
That's it. You guys haven't already guessed by now, this man is a bullshitter.
Oh, there's that one time I held it full, that's it.